Are you prepared to elevate your email outreach efforts? Imagine having the power to send unlimited emails, scale your campaigns effortlessly, and turbocharge your results. Stay tuned because in this video, we're about to unlock the secrets to emailing at scale with unlimited emails. Hey there, email marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Rubedo AI. I'm Elvin Manasian, and today we've got an exciting topic that's going to revolutionize the way you approach email outreach. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, the ability to send unlimited emails is a game changer. And we're diving deep into it. Emailing at scale can be a challenge for many businesses. Limited sending quotas, manual processes, and the need for effective tracking can often hold us back. But fear not, because we've got a solution that's going to supercharge your outreach efforts. We'll explore the power of scaling your email campaigns with unlimited emails. We'll discuss why it's essential, discover how it works with a powerful tool, share success stories, and provide actionable tips to ensure your email outreach is not just efficient, but incredibly effective. So if you're ready to discover the unlimited potential of email marketing, let's jump right in and turbocharge your outreach together. The power of email outreach. Email marketing and outreach are not just tools. They're powerhouses in the world of digital communication. Email's significance lies in its unrivaled directness and cost effectiveness. It's a channel that allows you to speak directly to your audience, delivering your message straight to their inbox. The ability to personalize content, target specific demographics, and engage with your audience on a one-on-one level is unparalleled. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some impressive statistics and success stories to drive the point home. Did you know that email marketing has an average ROI of 4,400%? That's a staggering return on investment. And then there are the countless businesses that have leveraged email marketing to build strong customer relationships, boost sales, and foster brand loyalty. You can harness this incredible power, especially when it comes to scaling your email outreach with unlimited emails. The challenges of scaling. A significant challenge for businesses lies in the limited sending quotas imposed by most email service providers, hindering your ability to reach your entire audience efficiently. Moreover, many businesses still rely on labor-intensive manual processes for crafting and sending emails, a time-consuming and error-prone practice that often results in missed opportunities. But why is overcoming these hurdles so critical for your business's growth? Scaling your email outreach effectively opens the door to reaching a broader audience, nurturing leads more effectively, and ultimately achieving higher conversion rates. It's all about unlocking the full potential of email marketing in today's competitive landscape. So what exactly are unlimited emails and why are they such a game changer? Well, in the world of email marketing, traditional approaches often come with limitations, such as sending quotas that restrict the number of emails you can send in a day, or complicated processes that hinder your campaign scalability. That's where unlimited emails step in to revolutionize the game. Unlimited emails, in essence, offer you the freedom to send as many emails as you need without the constraint of conventional email sending limits. This means you can scale your outreach efforts to reach a broader audience, whether you're running a newsletter campaign, nurturing leads, or engaging in cold outreach. But wait, it gets even better. With unlimited emails, you can automate and streamline your campaigns, saving you precious time and resources. Imagine the efficiency of crafting and scheduling an extensive email campaign without constantly worrying about hitting a sending limit or juggling multiple accounts. Now, to put this concept into action, we're going to demonstrate the power of unlimited emails using a cutting-edge tool. This tool will show you just how easy it is to set and configure your unlimited email campaigns, integrate with your SMTP and IMAP providers, and track the essential metrics that ensure your outreach is not only unrestricted, but highly effective. Demonstrating unlimited email tools. Alright folks, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the exciting world of unlimited email campaigns using a remarkable tool, Rubedo AI. Let's start with the basics. Once you've got Rubedo AI fired up, you'll be greeted by an intuitive interface that's designed with user friendliness in mind. We'll show you how to navigate this platform effortlessly, whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to email marketing. Now, setting up your unlimited email campaign couldn't be simpler. Rubedo AI allows you to create campaigns tailored to your specific goals, whether it's crafting engaging newsletters or executing effective cold email outreach. We'll walk you through the steps from creating your email content to scheduling your campaigns for more optimal timing. But here's where the magic truly happens. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol integration. Rubedo AI seamlessly connects with your preferred email providers, ensuring your emails are delivered smoothly and reliably. SMTP facilitates outbound sending of emails, ensuring that your messages reach their intended recipients efficiently, while IMAP handles the retrieval and synchronization of your emails across devices, providing you with easy access to your email inbox from anywhere. I added the links in the description to demonstrate how to set up these integrations, making sure your email campaigns run like a well-oiled machine, guaranteeing both the sending and receiving aspects of your email communication are optimized. Benefit and use cases. Now that you've seen how to harness the potential of email campaigns with Rubedo AI, let's delve into the myriad of benefits this approach brings to the table. First and foremost, it's all about enhanced scalability. With unlimited emails at your disposal, you can expand your outreach efforts exponentially. Whether you're targeting a larger audience for your newsletter or seeking to reach new prospects with cold emails, the sky's the limit. You're no longer confined by traditional sending quotas, allowing your business to grow without constraints. But it's not just about sending more emails. It's about sending smarter emails. That's where improved tracking and analytics come into play. Rubedo AI empowers you to track every aspect of your campaigns, from opens and clicks to bounces and unsubscribes. This wealth of data is invaluable. It helps you pinpoint what's working and what needs adjustment, enabling you to fine-tune your email strategy for optimal results. Efficiency is another significant advantage. Managing your email campaigns becomes breeze when you're constantly battling sending limits or dealing with manual processes. Rubedo AI streamlines campaign management, giving you more time to focus on crafting compelling content and nurturing your leads. Now let's talk real-world use cases. Picture this: a small e-commerce website business that wants to expand its customer base. With unlimited emails, they can launch targeted email campaigns to reach a broader audience, resulting in a substantial increase in sales. Or consider a B2B company looking to establish partnerships. By leveraging unlimited emails for cold outreach, you can reach out to potential collaborators at scale, securing valuable connections. These are just a couple of examples of how businesses are already benefiting from the unlimited email approach. So get creative, stay data-driven, and watch your email marketing efforts soar to new heights with Rubedo AI. Tips for effective email outreach. Now that we've unlocked the potential of unlimited email campaigns, let's ensure your outreach is not just scalable, but also highly effective. Here are some actionable tips to supercharge your email marketing game. Personalization. Personalization is the secret sauce of successful email campaigns. Tailor your messages to your recipients. Address them by name, segment your audience based on their interests and behavior, and craft the content that speaks directly to their needs. Rubedo AI allows you to personalize your emails easily, ensuring each recipient feels valued and engaged. Compelling subject lines. Your subject line is your email's first impression. Make it count. Create subject lines that are attention-grabbing, relevant, and enticing. A well-crafted subject line can significantly increase your open rates, driving more engagement with your content. A/B testing. Don't rely on guesswork. A/B testing is your ally. Experiment with different email elements such as subject lines, content, CTAs, and send times. Rubedo AI makes A/B testing a breeze, allowing you to identify what resonates most with your audience and refine your approach accordingly. Content quality. Content is king, even in emails. Ensure your email content is valuable, informative, and engaging. Whether you're sending newsletters or cold emails, compelling content keeps your recipients interested and encourages action. Emphasize compliance. Last but certainly not least, always stay compliant with email regulations. Respect opt-in and opt-out preferences. Provide clear unsubscribe options and adhere to anti-spam laws. Compliance isn't just a legal requirement, it also builds trust with your audience. With unlimited emails and best practices, you can elevate your email outreach. These tips enhance campaigns with lead nurturing, sales and client relationships, boosting inbox reach, and meaningful interactions. Implement these strategies, boost email engagement, and benefit from an efficient email marketing strategy with Rubedo AI. We value your input. Feel free to share your questions or concerns about email outreach, scaling, or related topics in this comment section. Our team is ready to provide expert insights and answers. With Rubedo AI, the possibilities are endless. To put this knowledge into action, explore Rubedo AI through the link below. If you found this video valuable, please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Thank you for joining our journey, and we're excited to see you in our next video.